Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, that is Technical Knowledge with this Swapnil. In previous video, I have explained about how you can store two different outputs like this. Two different output, one is the beauty and one is the sale in one single Excel file with the two different tabs. Okay. Now in this video, I will show you how you can upload this particular workflow in a KNIME server. Let's say if you want to upload this in your server, let's say if your company has a server, KNIME server, they purchased it, then what is the process of upload it and how you can configure the KNIME server, online KNIME server. For that, first thing, how you can configure KNIME server. So let's start it. So this is our workflow. Okay, first thing is you have to link your KNIME desktop to the KNIME server. For that, what you have to do is you have to click on a preference. There is a KNIME Explorer option. You have to click on it. Currently, it's my connected to the prod and a different environments. So this is my prod. Let's say if you want to add, let's say if you have not connected to your prod server, then what you have to do is you have to click on a new, and whatever the address you have, your site means your KNIME server address, you have to add over here. Automatically mount ID automatically will be generated and you have to click on OK. Okay, and this is how it will connect it. Okay, if you see over here, this the api.prod, and these are the basic URL. Whatever you have to just add it, and mount ID automatically created prod business hub, and that's it. Once it is connected, automatically pop-up window will appear, and then it will ask you to log into the KNIME server. Then you have to just log in, and then you are good to go. Okay, and how to upload it. Okay, so this is my test workflow, right? Now it is somehow it is executed. I will show you first, means in Excel, sorry, in my SharePoint. I want to store my output in a SharePoint. Currently it has only one file. Let me refresh it. Let's see what. Okay, we have only one file, and this is the input file that I have connected, and from that I am getting an input and I am doing some transformation, and I want to again store it to the same SharePoint location. So you have to use a Microsoft authentication and online SharePoint online connector. I have created a video for that. You can watch it, link in the description. Okay, once it is connected, you have to go over here. Okay, and okay, this, and you have to plug, means in what exactly folder you want to store the data, right? That's how you can use it. You have to add your URL and you have to browse the folder where you want to store the data. I want to store the data in a test file, so that's it. And then apply. Okay, and if I run this, what I have name it is, yeah, ecom data. And let's consider tab 1. It has a sales data, sorry, beauty data, and second tab it has ecom data, and sorry, electronics, I guess, electronics data. Okay, and just click on apply. Okay, and just you have to run it. If you run it, it will directly store to the SharePoint server. Okay, this is my SharePoint site, and if you see ecom data, and it has two tabs. Okay, if you see, okay, so beauty data has a beauty and electronics data has electronics records. So this is how it looks, but how you can upload this to your server. Okay, this is our main point, so that you will understand. Now, because the first thing what we have done is we have click on a preferences, we add our uh, KNIME server. Now you have to, what, there is option, you have to just right click on it and there is option to upload. Now I have to, you will get two options. This is the my production server and this is the KNIME community hub where you can upload it, but you can't run it. That we already discussed. You can check that video. So I have multiple folders in that. So what I will do is I have this folder. So I will upload in my QA folder. Okay, and choose. Okay, sorry, I have not saved it. But okay, for that, what you have to do is you have to just reset all this thing because you don't want to upload any data. You just want to upload your flow, right? So just save it. And again, just click on upload. Close this. Upload. KNIME prod. QA. Choose. Okay. And this is how it start uploading, and within a second it will upload it. Now if you go to the server, Okay, so this is my space. Okay, in that I have three different folders. I will blur it out because it's kind of a little restricted, so I don't want to share it. So if you click on it, you will get the our data called test. What is our workflow name is test. Okay, and if you just click on it, you will get this your workflow. Okay, but if you go back, this is how your flow will look like in the server side. Okay, KNIME server. Now if you click, if you go over here, you can directly from here, if you see the community app, there is no option to run the workflow, but from here you can run the workflow. For that, what I will do is I will delete the manual entry. I will delete the file that we have previously run. Okay, now if you just go over here, okay, and just hit on a run within a second, because flow is very small. Okay, so within a second it will run. Okay, so this is how. Okay, right, if you see within 4 to 5 seconds it executed, and if you just refresh your SharePoint, okay, and it automatically means it's within a second it's uploaded, right, ecom data, the latest data. And if you just cross check it, if you open it, you will get the same data that we are expecting, right? Beauty data in a separate and electronic data in a separate, right? And this is how you can upload and run the workflows in a KNIME server. Okay, I hope you like this video. If you like, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.